Hey RCRealness crew, it is RCRealness back at it again with another YouTube video, and this is a video that was long awaited and requested by someone on my Instagram page. So you guys, since I already opened it and since there's no box, this is going to be a review of one of my favorite must-have dupes slash bags. So you guys, this is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM Damier Azur dupe. The real bag is retailed at $1,580, but I did buy it for $48 at a swap meet. So let's get into this video.
You wanna fight on tussle? I'm talking about
So you guys, when I first got this bag, I knew that this bag wasn't a really good dupe due to the fact that when you look inside the bag, this pocket is supposed to match, it's supposed to fit to the perimeter of the bag, like this side of the bag, but it does not. And for people who do not know about Louis Vuitton Neverfulls or Louis Vuittons in general, they're not good. I'm telling you, they're not going to know the difference between this and the real one. So as far as that, if you're not like a real Louis Vuitton fan, you're not really gonna care. But let's go ahead and go on to the inside of the bag and basically what it is. So when you open the bag, as with any Louis Vuitton Neverfull, you know that this bag is just one giant black hole. I kid you not. You put stuff in here. Let me tell you, because before this video started, what was in here? Trash. Trash. Just stuff that was in my closet. Everything fits in here. Even my purse from my other review fits in here. Girl, everything in the house sink. Everything in the kitchen sink fits in here. You can fit everything in here. Let me just show you how much stuff you can fit in here. So this is all the stuff that was in here before, plus the purse, plus my laptop, plus a teddy bear. You guys, this bag can carry it, okay? You are going to need to invest in a bag like this. You're going to need to invest in a GM size, because this bag can carry it all. Basically size-wise, that's what it can carry. But when I dumped it out, it's empty. Like, it's very, very easy to clean out. So this is what the bag looks like up close. So you got, here's an up close view of the bag. Here's what the bag looks like up close. Here's the puff puff ball. And here's a close look at what the logo looks like up close. The Louis Vuitton. Make sure this is correctly. This is what it looks like. The only thing I do not like is the straps, because the straps are breaking much easier because it's not the authentic bag. So it's not gonna have as strong as it's not gonna be as strong as the real bag, authentic leather, but it is already cracking. So that's why I had it wrapped up with these right here, because at first the bag was cracking and the handle, the glazing on the handle was coming off. So I didn't use this bag as much as I would like. So, but it's cute. If you're really looking for this bag, if you really would like to get the style of this bag, you can find this bag via Dhgates. There's numerous of sellers online, but there's numerous bags like this, the Louis Vuitton, that you can find on Dhgates from varying prices, depending on what type of quality of a dupe you're going to be receiving. This right here, the only things are, when I first got the bag, the only complaints that I have with this bag from the seller that I got it from, when you do cinch the bag and you cinch the stuff right here, some of the wax do come off. Some of the wax does come off, and it's like not that cute. But if you just leave it uncinched, then it's no big deal. But like, this is what it looks like, and then it's like, see, like when you see it up close, like, it's like the material's coming off. You see all that stuff coming off of it? This is all the stuff that's flicking. It's the flicking of the paint. The glazing is coming off of the sinks strap. That's the only thing I don't like about this bag. That's why I don't use the cinching. I leave it open as always. And then when you close it, when I first got the bag, this lobster claw right here, it was just stuck open like this. And so once like I started using it more, hold on, let me show you. This lobster claw right here, it got stuck. That's the only thing I don't like about this bag. It got stuck and then it wasn't closing. So it was just getting stuck open, and I mean you can cinch it closed. So with this one, you fold it, but even when you fold it, it does crack right here. So be mindful, because this is not the real item. So be mindful, because the real item won't be doing this. And this is why I want the real one once I have money. Not have money, more money. Because girl, I am not paying for that right now with my college degree. The bag looks cinched. This does stick out a little bit, but it's whatever. But this is why I don't want the bag cinched, because I don't like the glazing on the side to get sticky. But this is the glazing on the side to peel. This is why I don't like cinching the bag. But this is what you can cinch this bag. So when I bought this bag, I did use it as a everyday bag for me, because when I did live downtown and I did go to Georgia State, going to Georgia State University is like going where there's a fashion shoot. So I wanted to like look cute. So I had this bag with me. It was cute. It got me through some classes. It didn't fit in my locker at work. It was like, you know those smaller box lockers? This will not fit in there. So I'm letting you know now. But it didn't fit at my locker at the museum, but it did fit in my trunk. So I'm happy with that. I paid a total of $48. I paid $40 for it. The guy wanted $45, but I said $40, and that's what he got. So yeah. But with this bag, with the Vuitton Neverfull, it does come with a little strap. As you can see, this is not the authentic one. So just be mindful when you get a bag, or if you're paying, whatever, you're getting what you're paying for. You're not, for example, this bag is already an iconic bag as is, because everyone has it. A Nevwrfull is like a staple bag that you get when you get into luxury for the first time. You either get a Nevwrfull, you either get a Speedy, you either get a Dior, a Chanel, stuff like that. But this bag was not that bad. I actually do enjoy this bag. I do plan on keeping this bag in my collection. It did what it was supposed to do. Honestly, I would rate this on quality wise, maybe like a 4 out of 10. Like, it's cute. Like, it's not that it's bad quality. It's what you pay for, and it did what it was supposed to do. But I'm pretty sure if I had it longer, if I paid for the expensive one, the raw authentic one, it would not be framed. It would not be doing this at all on the things. The straps should be smaller. The straps are thicker. They shouldn't be peeling at all. This shouldn't be happening. But how you say? Would I buy this product again from a seller? Would I buy it from that seller again? Probably not. Because if I buy a Louis Vuitton bag from them, it's probably going to be the same thing as a Chanel bags. I might, once this pandemic is over, I might go see the person at the swap meet and see what other bags they may have bought in. But other than that, like even right here, this is my major area that I have an issue with. Like, just like, look at this. You see how this is cracking, like right here? You see how this is cracking? This is unacceptable. Imagine carrying this and your bag snaps. This is unacceptable, but what can I do? This is a fake bag. I use this bag for probably straight for, let's say, like a good month or two. I use this Nevwrfull for a good month or two. With the cracking, with the usage it's been giving me, it didn't give me any issues. The straps have not broken, and I didn't have any issue with it. But this is more so like a bag you keep on your shelf because it's cute and you keep it in your closet. But if once the strap breaks, this bag is not, like if this strap breaks and this bag is just not working, this is just gonna stay in my closet. But it's cute. I mean, I like it, it's cute. When you do put stuff in this bag will get heavy. your shoulder will feel it. So be mindful of the GM size or any Nevwrfull. The real Nevwrfulls, once you buy them, you do get complaints of this strap digging into your shoulder. So you do have to be mindful. And it's the same thing with my Longchamp Le Pliage. When I use my Longchamp Le Pliage, when you put stuff in that sucker, that weight's gonna kill you. So please also be mindful of the weight on your shoulder. So carry less stuff too. But yeah, so when you are gonna carry big stuff and you do need to carry a lot of stuff, this is the bag, but it will get heavy. That's all. So you guys, if you enjoyed that review of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM Damier Azure, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below, and see you guys again next week for another video. So you guys, bye!